So, I have finally found out the reason why the creation of Anioma state may not happen. It's so sad, but we have to admit that the Anioma state may no longer be created. We have sadly lost the opportunity to have Anioma state. This is something that our ancestors have clamored for. In fact, the quest for the creation of Anioma state started in 1951. It was led by Chief Dennis Chukwude Osadebe, alongside his brothers Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe, Dr. Michael Okpara, and the rest. Today, we have lost a golden opportunity to actualize that dream because of our selfish reasons, because of personal vendetta, because of who will take the glory. Before I proceed with this video, let me play a video that I stumbled upon this morning. Most people must have seen this video. Maybe they didn't listen closely. I want you to listen closely and pay attention when you watch this video. This is a video tape obtained from the meeting held by the Southeast Caucus of the National Assembly as a deliberation, in-house deliberation, ahead of what they would present before the larger house, which is the leadership of the National Assembly, to say this is the state we have agreed upon, create it for us. Sadly, Anioma state may not make that slot. Asuwene ono kwesi amare mma apu ilo, a na-esi ụmụ adịle mma apụọ n'ama. A na-esi ụlọ amalụ mma apụọ n'ama. Ị ga-adịgide mma n'ụlọ tupu ị ga-ejide mma n'ilo. There's a meeting in my hometown, in my community and my lineage, where their greeting is Ogodi no ye n'ụlọ ọdịna n'ilo. Before I speak further, let me give you the opportunity to watch this video. Make sure you listen very attentively. Please watch.
Or are we doing something else? If we are following the Constitution says very clearly in section 82, section 8, so sub A, B, A, I, 2, 3. In other words, what is clearly stated there is that the Constitution insists that a state demand must come with signatures of those who are already both in the Senate, in the House, and in the Houses of Assembly. And we have seen that only 2 demands here came with those things. That's why I asked this first question. Are we following the Constitution, or are we going to now say, let us go back? Because it's on Monday that we are going to get, it's on Tuesday that the debates will start. So if those demands have not been submitted already to the National Assembly, then everything is null and void. So we cannot come here and go outside of the Constitution, and then the Deputy Senate President, Deputy Speaker, who swore an oath to follow the Constitution, and me, who swore an oath to follow the Constitution, I will sit down and keep quiet, and the Constitution is being breached. I will never do that. So I ask a simple question: are we following the Constitution or not? Because our name, they bring one single document. That's a signature. Anioma, no single document. Why didn't you say it?
It's all right.
Bring it.
All right, have you finished?
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you learned something or you grabbed something from that video, what it's saying there is that there's a crucial document that is supposed to come from Delta State, precisely the Delta State House of Assembly. That is the State Assembly members endorsing the quest, endorsing the demand for the creation of this particular state from Delta where it exists. Sadly, 9/9, that is the 9 local governments from the senatorial district of Delta State where this state is supposed to be created from, not even the 25 LGAs, the 9 that are the particular regions affected, have signed a letter rejecting the proposal to add them as a 6th state of the Southeast. They say they don't want to be part of the Southeast, especially citing a reason which is just very watery. A reason they added lately, that is because they want to put the capital in Olo. Before the talk about putting capital in Olo for Anioma state ever came up, these people never gave their support to the creation drive. They said they were not consulted. They said their signature was not gotten, that they are not involved, and they don't want to be a part of it because allegedly their leader did not give it a nod. These are mature people. These are political representatives of constituencies. They do not have their say. They are waiting for their leader to say, then they can implement. They are not representing the aspirations of their people. They are representing one man who is not from their constituency. This man is from one of the local governments. He is not from all the local governments, but he is the one calling the shots, dictating the pace. If he sneezes, everybody catches cold in that area. Every of the political class, not everybody anyway. So that is this ugly situation we have found ourselves as Nigerians. That we have representatives who cannot hold one single meeting, whether as constituency briefing or as a meeting to consult with their people before they reach such a crucial historical decision. They took that decision on our behalf. They signed signatures. The state assembly members signed, the chairman signed, all 9 chairmen signed, all 9 state house of assembly members signed. They signed their names into the annals of history to be remembered as people who sabotaged the quest for the creation of Anioma state. And we will not forget. That is the promise we all have for them. We will remember their names because it wasn't a rumor. It is a public document now. Everybody has it. This is the document on display here. Every single name you're seeing here is an Igbo name. Every single name you're seeing here, not one of them held any meeting in their constituency to say, this is the decision we are trying to take. What do you think? Not even in my own constituency. It is sad and unfortunate, but these are the people representing us. And we must take this. We must swallow this bitter pill. But for how long are we going to swallow it? This is Enu and Cultural Forum, where we promote the rich cultural heritage of the Igbo people. I am your host, Prince Onwadengozi Chukwuka Fortune. I am from Obuluku in Delta State, and I am inviting you to please like our videos, scroll through our channel. You will find many other interesting videos that will tickle your fancy. Watch them, interact with them, and share them. And most importantly, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Hit the like button on our videos that tickle your fancy. And please hit the notification bell so that when we put out videos, you will be among the first set of people to watch the video. Thank you for watching this video. Share it to your audience. See you in our next video. Bye.